In today's quick tutorial video on how Genek, let me show you the way that you can create a Proton Mail account. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and just search for Proton Mail. Once you do that, you can see the first website. You just need to click on it and you'll land on the official website. To create an account, click on create a free account. Now there are multiple accounts that you can choose from. For the most part, you can choose the free option. If not, there are other paid options as well. Once you select the account type that you want, once you select the type of account or the type of plan that you want, if you scroll down, you'll need to create a username and a password for your account. Make sure your username is valid. If it is not valid, you need to change it and select a different one. You can choose from these two types of emails. Select the one that you like and then create a password. Once you fill in your username and created your password, click on start using Proton Mail. Now before you are able to successfully create an account, you need to verify that you are human. You can do that by two options, or by filling in this captcha or completing this captcha, or you can also add in a email address which is an existing email so that you can add or get in a one-time verification code. Once the verification is now complete, your account will start to create. And just like that, your account of Proton Mail now has been created. You can use this platform to now send and receive emails. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll be back soon with more future videos just like this.